Everyone on the internet's always like, what's a monad? And there's like 2,000 memes of what a monad is. And no one still, I don't think the internet in 2019 still understands what a monad is.
No, it doesn't.
Like,
Monad is a sense of continuation, right? You have a monad value and you stick that into a function which produces a monad. So it's sort of a continue from this monad and do something else, produce another monad, which has to be collapsing the context in the end. But that's continuation, but that's kind of a dynamic in a way to say I have this value when it's blah and then apply this function. But applicable is in a sense opposite to that, to be static. That means you have maybe a function and maybe a value. You already have them.
yeah.
And then you apply them together.
Yeah. Yeah, but the thing I never got with Haskell in general is, like, I get the gist of applicative monads and functors. How do I use them? Where do I use them? When does it make sense to use them?
Right. The thing about functional programming in the category 3 is you're looking at the things in a different angle. So I have a different angle here. So you're talking about the behavior you can get from this kind of a construct, which is functor.
Yeah.
What I look at, maybe another way to look at it is to look at the data you are dealing with. So if you're dealing with the data that you don't care about the context, you only care about what it encapsulates in there. So you don't care about the structure of it. For example, you don't care it's a list of things. You don't care the list, or you don't care it's a future value, or it's a stream of value. What you really care is what does those things encapsulate. For example, you care about a transformation from an integer to a string. If that's what you care about, then fmap gives you a way to say, it's a list or it's some other type wrapping around it, I don't care. So from a data point of view, that's valid as well. With recursive function.
Yes.
So, well, that's just my guess. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yes, on the list, yes.
Interesting. So you would get every function.